For years, the world believed the future of humanoid robots belonged to Tesla. But while everyone was watching Elon Musk, a Chinese robotics company was quietly building something extraordinary. Not another prototype, not another concept, but a humanoid robot designed to work in the real world. Its name is UBTECH U1 UWORLD. And according to many industry experts, robots like this could completely transform factories, businesses, and eventually, our everyday lives. So the question is, has China already taken the lead in the humanoid robot race, while the rest of the world wasn't paying attention? Why UBTECH built U1 UWORLD? For decades, humanoid robots were seen as expensive machines built to impress people at technology events. They could wave, dance, or perform simple demonstrations. But when the show ended, they went back to the lab. UBTECH had a completely different vision. Instead of asking, how can we build the most impressive robot? They asked, how can we build a robot that companies actually need? That's exactly why the U1 UWORLD wasn't designed for the spotlight. It was designed for the factory floor, where speed, precision, and reliability matter every single second. But building a robot that can work like a human is one thing. Can it actually move with the same confidence and precision as a human worker? Built to move like a human. A humanoid robot can look impressive from a distance, but the real challenge begins when it has to move through a world built for humans. The U1 UWORLD is designed to do exactly that. It can walk, maintain balance, adjust its posture, and navigate around obstacles in real time. That may sound simple, but for a robot, every step requires thousands of calculations. It has to understand where to place its foot, how to distribute its weight, and how to stay stable while carrying out a task. Unlike traditional robotic arms that remain fixed in one position, a humanoid robot can move directly to the place where work is happening. That flexibility makes it especially valuable for factories, warehouses, and industrial environments where tasks are constantly changing. But movement alone isn't enough. A robot that can walk still needs to understand what it is looking at. So how does U1 UWORLD recognize objects, interpret its surroundings, and decide what action to take next? The AI brain inside. Walking like a human is impressive, but intelligence is what truly separates a machine from a robot. The U1 UWORLD doesn't simply follow a fixed list of commands. It uses advanced cameras, sensors, and AI to observe its surroundings, recognize objects, and adjust its actions in real time. If a box is moved, or an obstacle suddenly appears, the robot doesn't stop and wait for instructions. It analyzes the situation and reacts within seconds. That's the difference between traditional automation and intelligent robotics. But if a robot can already see, think, and make decisions, how long will it be before companies start choosing robots over human workers? The future of work. Imagine walking into a factory where humans and humanoid robots work side by side. People focus on solving problems, while robots handle the repetitive, physically demanding, and potentially dangerous tasks. That's the future UBTECH is preparing for. As industries face labor shortages and rising production demands, intelligent robots could help businesses operate more efficiently while allowing human workers to take on more skilled roles. This isn't just about replacing jobs. It's about changing the way work gets done. But UBTECH isn't the only company chasing that future, because one competitor believes its humanoid robot could become the most valuable product in history, and its name is Tesla Optimus. Who will win the humanoid robot race? The race to build the world's best humanoid robot has officially begun. On one side, there's Tesla, using years of AI and autonomous driving experience to develop Optimus. On another, companies like Figure AI, Boston Dynamics, and Agility Robotics are pushing the limits of what robots can do. And then there's UBTECH, quietly proving that humanoid robots aren't just futuristic concepts. They're already stepping into real factories and performing real work. This isn't simply a competition between companies. It's a race to define the future of human labor. The company that builds the first truly reliable, affordable, and intelligent humanoid robot won't just dominate the robotics industry. It could reshape manufacturing, healthcare, logistics, retail, and even our homes. Just as smartphones transform the way we communicate, humanoid robots could transform the way we live and work. Whether that future is exciting or unsettling depends on how these machines are developed and how we choose to use them. One thing, however, is becoming impossible to ignore. The age of humanoid robots is no longer a distant dream. It's already here. And the next time you hear about Tesla, Figure AI, or UBTECH, remember, this isn't just another tech competition. It's the beginning of the biggest technological revolution since the invention of the smartphone. So what do you think? Which company will lead the humanoid robot revolution? Tesla, UBTECH, or someone else entirely? Let us know in the comments below. And if you love premium documentaries about AI, robotics, and future technology, subscribe to AI Decode, because the future isn't waiting, and neither are we.